Hello and welcome to West Bengal Judicial Service Preparation. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are continuing with the part 2 of the series of the books for Higher Judicial Service Examination. So let's quickly check out the books for Higher Judicial Service Examination. So in the part 1 video I have discussed about the paper 2. Now from this part I am discussing about the paper 3. So let's start. So for paper 3, the first subject that we have is the Criminal Procedure Code and the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act. So for this subject, I would like to refer the major acts. Then we have Kelkar. Kelkar is good for the beginning and concept clearings. Then we have the Durga Das Basu. This is also a very good book with commentaries which might help you in preparing your notes. Then we have the Indian Penal Code. For Indian Penal Code, we have the major acts. Then Ratan Lal Dheeraj Lal. This is also a very good book. Now we have these two minor acts, that is the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act and the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. So these two acts are pretty much easy one. So Bare Act is more than enough. Try to buy a Lawman's Bare Act. Then it contains too many of commentaries which might help you in preparing your notes. So next subject we have the Negotiable Instrument Act, that is the NI Act. So in the syllabus of the Higher Judicial Service Examination, the sections are specified, that is from section 138 to 147, that is dealing with the checks. So Bare Act is more than enough. If you need a deeper reading, then you can buy a textbook. Otherwise, Bare Acts are more than enough according to me. Next we have the NDPS Act. So for NDPS Act, firstly is the Bare Act. So I always suggest read the amended Bare Acts. Too many amendments are happening nowadays. So always try to read the amended Bare Acts and stay updated. And then we have IAS. IAS textbook is very good with commentaries. So you can prepare your notes from there and take a brief idea from that book. Then we have paper 4. So for paper 4, the first subject is the Transfer of Property Act. If you haven't still seen the video for the syllabus of the Higher Judicial Service Examination, please firstly check that video and then watch this video. Otherwise you will get confused about the syllabus of the Higher Judicial Service Examination. Okay, so let's start with the Transfer of Property Act. So for the Transfer of Property Act, we have the Bearats and B.V. Mitra and Sengupta. This is also a commentary book and is very good with latest updates and case laws. So next we have the constitutional law. So for constitutional law, there are too many options. So I would like to suggest the Bare Acts. Then we have the MP Jain and VN Shukla. So MP Jain and VN Shukla are sufficient to cover up the whole syllabus. Next we have Hindu law. Then we have Muslim law, the Indian Succession Act. So let's check it out one by one. So for Hindu law, I would like to suggest the Bare Act and Mullah. Mullah is more than enough for the Hindu law. Then we have Mullah for Muslim law and Akhil Ahmad. These two are pretty much good books. Then for the Indian Succession Act, Bare Act, and we have B.B. Mitra's commentary. This is also very good for the Succession Act. Now let's move on to the next subject, that is the Guardian and the Wards Act. Bare Acts. Here I am suggesting the Bare Act for lawmen, as because it has too much of commentaries and explanations which would help you to retain things very much faster and to clear a concept also. Then we have Mukherjee's commentary. This is also a very good book, so you can check this out also. Then we have the Indian Trust Act. For the Indian Trust Act, there is Bare Act and Justice Krishnamurthy Iyer's book. This is also a commentary book with latest case laws, so you can go through it and prepare your notes from here. So this was pretty much for this video. In the next video, we'll discuss the other papers and recommend some books for those papers also. Thank you for watching. Happy watching.